Hello everyone. Welcome to our today's session, and in this session I'm going to cover the topic of ChatGPT for social media marketing, in which I will explain you about the different prompts and different ways in which we can use ChatGPT for our social media marketing strategy. And if you are looking for a Hindi version of the video, I will put the link in the icon on the top as well as in the description. You can watch the Hindi version as well. So let's begin our today's topic. We can create a 30 days calendar. Now, one of the biggest problem mostly freshers will face is creating a 30 days plan. Monthly basis, whatever the planning you have, if you execute that in a proper way, then you can able to create, content and create posts and regularly update them. But if you don't have a plan, if you don't have a content calendar, it will be very, very risky. So here is one simple prompt we can use: 31 days social media content ideas for digital marketing agency. So in this double quotes, whatever I have added, here I have added digital marketing agency. You can replace with any other property and automatically you will have a 31 days plan for your social media. So this is a very, very useful feature for your social media. Number two, whatever the ideas we get in the list of 31, we can take each of that idea, and that idea we can convert again into content with the help of ChatGPT. So one of the idea was ask quiz to your users. So now I have given a prompt here, 3 quiz questions for digital marketing, okay, with options. So if you type this prompt, you can get, see here, this is a question, all right, this we can write as a poll, and these are the actual answers, and then you have a correct answer which you can reveal on the next day itself. So this you can use in YouTube community place, you can use in Facebook, we can use in LinkedIn, we can use in Twitter, and even in our story we can ask a question. So this all can be used as our content creation for the given ideas. Number 3, we can use ChatGPT for the purpose of creating good captions. You see, for any social media marketing, captions are very. Number 3, we can use ChatGPT for creating, good captions. So you see, for every social media post, caption plays a very important role. It should have a proper structure, proper content, proper hashtags. So if you want, we can use this with the help of social media, like a prompt like 3 social media captions for Women's Day. And if you want with hashtags, so you will also get the hashtags along with the content. So now for Women's Day, I have created this post, just example. So if you see here is to the women who light up the world with their brilliance, creativity and strength. Happy International Women's Day. See, very nice. Second one is with hashtags, right? So this way we can able to create a very good, captions for our social media content. Number 4, YouTube title ideas. So if you are struggling to generate ideas for YouTube videos, you can able to generate those ideas, and also you can able to generate titles for those ideas with the help of ChatGPT. So here if you see, I have a prompt here, create 10 creative YouTube titles for, and this video itself I'm using ChatGPT for social media marketings, and you will see that I will use any one of this title from this particular YouTube video itself, and it works very effectively because these titles are more relevant, and also it will be more attractive words which come with the ChatGPT. So it will be very good idea to use it as a title. Then also YouTube description. So whatever the title you have, you can just type the same thing, YouTube description, for the exact title which I'm going to use, and I can get some very nice description for our YouTube description as well. Along with this, if suppose you are struggling for creating the entire script for the content. Now generally I create videos without a script, all right? So I just in front of the camera, I just start teaching, all right? That is my methodology. But if you are having trouble in creating speaking to the audience, and you have difficulty in that situation, you can get a script from ChatGPT, and you can customize that script and be able to read out the script with the teleprompter or something, and you can able to deliver much more precise and specific videos as well if you use for scripting your entire video as well. And the same way, we have YouTube tags. Now YouTube tags are basically useful for relevance purpose, so we can use that as well. So generate comma separated YouTube tags for ChatGPT for social media, and you see we have got some very nice tags for our usage. Similar way, if you are creating Facebook ads and you are again struggling to create very good headlines, so we can use ChatGPT for Facebook headlines, where we can create, I said my prompt is create 5 headlines for digital marketing agency targeting small businesses, and you can see transform your online presence with our proven digital marketing solutions. Get more leads and sales for your small business with our expert help, which is quite nice content to be start with. And then ad description. If you're writing Facebook ad, LinkedIn ad, or any kind of ad, you can write description with captions. So here is a prompt: create Facebook ad description for digital marketing agency for small business owners, and at the end just add with emojis, and you get a very nice description like this, like boost your small business. Now we have to edit it, but whichever is relevant we will use it. Whichever we need to edit, we can able to edit them ourselves manually. But the thing is, it provides a support for us. Okay, this tool is giving us a lot of input, so we can able to do the editing and we can able to get the work done very quickly. Similar way, if you want to create many tweets and want to schedule them right away on Twitter instead of posting them on manually, so you can generate many tips for many type of tweets for the purpose of quotes, for the purpose of tips, for the purpose of informative content, and you can able to right away schedule these tweets on the Twitter as well, direct, which you have to do from the tool obviously, but from here we can able to generate the ideas. For that we can use a prompt like 10 tweets for digital marketing agency, or you can be more specific to get more specific ideas. And finally, the most important thing is this: we can able to create a complete social media strategy with ChatGPT. So if you just type a query like create a detailed social media strategy to promote yoga institute on Instagram, now you see there are 10 points. Now what we can do, we can take this 10 points into a document. Each point we can put up one heading, and then we can define, for example, who are the target audience. So in the document I can say, for this yoga institute, who are the target audience. So we can say this is the age, this is the gender, this is one group, this is one group, this is one group which I want to target. So maybe once one of the people who are or who are students, one group of people who are already married, one group of people who are married and working, one group of people who are very much adult people, right, who are old age people. For them, how the yoga can be useful. So we can define our audience, we can define the content plan. And also amazing part is, all these points what we have, 10 out of 10 points, we can again further use this prompt into ChatGPT, and further we can get more ideas as well from this particular tool itself. So overall I can say that it will minimize your work, a lot of work which we have to take a lot of time to create. With the help of ChatGPT we can minimize, and we can use this particular tool to help us improve our social media marketing game. I hope you have liked this particular short video on ChatGPT for social media marketing. Like this video, as well as please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you very much.